5 Best User Reviews of the Galanz GLR16FWED08 French door refrigerator with bottom freezer and adjustable thermostat, white. The Galanz 3-door French door refrigerator with bottom freezer and adjustable thermostat includes 2 half-width removable crisper drawers with humidity control for storing all of your fruits and vegetables. Real users share their experience. Number 1. Wonderful delivery and refrigerator is exactly what I wanted. Gabby. 5-star. This refrigerator was delivered very quickly and was everything I was expecting. Delivery guy was terrific, fridge works like a charm. Love the French doors and overall size, Gabby. Number 2, after all this time. Granny. 4-star. I have a new refrigerator. The old one was purchased more than 27 years ago, and though it was still mostly functional, I began looking for a replacement in May. Last year I replaced my stove and it took weeks, and I didn't want to repeat that experience. But every time I thought I found a unit that would fit my space, budget and desires. Granny. Number 3, good no frills unit. Andrew Morrow. Number 5. Star. It arrived on time, and performs as advertised. Note that as with any fridge, freezer, you will need to give it several hours to cool down before using it. It works very well. Andrew Morrow. Number 4. Quick to cool. Kohler. 5-star. This item was delivered considerably sooner than estimated, by almost 2 weeks. Very thankful, though I was not prepared. We plugged it in and did the quick freeze option and it really worked. Everything cooled down very quickly and we were able to load it immediately. Looks very nice, only comment would be the LED fridge light. Kohler. Number 5. Great value. Catherine Arnold. 5-star. I hated my Samsung, full size with all the bells and whistles. Ice maker and water dispenser caused so many problems with overheating the fridge that we disconnected them. The counter depth profile and 28 inches width make our kitchen roomier, visually and spatially. Keep it simple. Catherine Arnold. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.